Hello everyone, this is Antonia. Today I'm going to show you how to use a trailing stop on your MetaTrader 4 using your laptop or desktop. Trailing stop does not work on any cell phone device or an iPad. It only works on a computer and desktop and laptop. So how do you use a trailing stop? First of all, you're going to find out what pair you're going to trade and how you're going to trade it. So if, say, for example, you want to trade EUR AUD and you put your pending order, for example, sell limit, and I'm not giving any trade, I'm just showing you how to trade using your MetaTrader 4, how to, use a trailing stop. So I'm going to view my terminal. So right here, where is it? Okay, so good. So you can see this sell limit right here at the bottom where it says sell limit lot size 0.20 EUR AUD. This is my price. I haven't entered the stop loss or any take profit. Now this is the current price. So what you can do is you can right click on it, trailing stop, and then so if you see 15 point is the minimum for this pair, and it's different for each point, for each pairs. So what that means for 15 point is each time this pair or this trade move 1.5 pip, then it's gonna trail and follow your profit. Now you can do this on a pending order. It doesn't have to be an order that is activated. Okay, so if you think this trade is gonna move 50 pips, this is your, so 50 pips will be 500 points actually. That's your 50 pips. So if you're doing points, it's always in points. You take out the trailing zero, and the rest of it is your pip. So take out zero and it's 50 pips. You say, okay, that's it. So that's all you do. You set your trailing stop. So when this trade kicks in and goes 50 pips into profit, this trailing stop is going to secure your 50 pips. That's what you're telling it. If, however, you don't think it's going to go 50 pips, you're going to do, for example, 2.5 pips. And so once it kicks in and it trails your profit into 2 pips. So 2 pips profit. If it drops down another 2 pips, it's going to secure that pips. If it moves back 2 pips, it's going to kick you out in 2 pips, big profit. Okay? So that's about it. If you have any questions, type it in the chat or ask the person who sent it to you and they will answer it. Or they will let me know. Oh, that's it. All right. Thank you.